Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Monday, November the 19th. I've got 7 press releases for you from both sides of the border, both in the resources sector and actual results on the OTC. So let's first get to Consolidated Medical Management, trades on the OTC under the stock symbol CMMI. They announced their Q3 numbers. Nice numbers here. Total revenue, $635,000. Net income, just under $67,000. The company didn't have any operating history last year, so there isn't much to compare it by. But for its first operating Q3, great numbers. What do they do? Even though the name kind of threw us off, Consolidated Medical Management is a wholesale fuel distributor and fuel terminal operator based in Houston, Texas. It not only offers storage and delivery and so on and so forth of blended petroleum products, but it's also in the biodiesel green fuel market. So definitely a company to keep a look on. It's trading at 16 cents. Next up, TransNet also trades on the OTC under the stock symbol TRNT. They report a contract with the city of Newark. The contract is valued at $120,000. The performance of that contract is going to begin next year and probably run through August 2009. What's all about? It's entering the contract with the city of Newark to provide enhanced software productivity courses for city employees. The company's trading at $1.14. Like it when you see small cap companies doing deals with government agencies, always a positive sign. Next up, off to the TSX Venture Exchange. Ranaz Corporation making a repeat performance here. Nice news out of them. They continue their vigorous expansion and now announced that their products have been deployed in 240 Walmart stores. The company is into the manufacturing and marketing of protein and dietary supplements for weight loss and obesity treatment. No introduction there needed. We all know that this is probably going to be a growing segment for years to come, and we can penetrate Walmart to this extent. Obviously, they're doing very, very well. Daniel Sawa, who's the chief strategy officer, said the following. This is what I liked here. Our sales per store are ahead of expectations, and retail replenishment is fast, driven by our aggressive consumer and in-store marketing campaign. Some customers have already reordered 4 to 5 times since March. No doubt that's the basis of expansion through Walmart. If it wasn't working, they'd be off those shelves pretty quickly. Following this phase 1 here, they're hoping to get up to about 4,000 outlets in Canada, and this is the basis for phase 2, which is attacking the U.S. market. The company right now is trading at $1 per share. Going into the resources market on the TSX Venture Exchange, Orko Silver, some big numbers there. They trade on the venture under the stock symbol OK. They hit 16.55 meters, grading 377.7 grams per ton of silver equivalent. That's on their Martha vein, and their project is in Durango, Mexico. That was on hole 07, number 135. Garrett Cope, President Orko, said the following: we're on to a deposit of much larger scale and scope than had originally been conceived, and it looks like we look forward to releasing new resource estimate in Q1 2008. They're in big numbers, resource estimate coming out in Q1, and they've tripled since August. They're trading out about $1.85. That's up 200% since August. With these kind of results, that's no surprise. Next up, Eurasian Minerals trades on TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol EMX. They announced drilling results from their gold-silver project in Turkey. All 5 core holes intersected broad zones of significant gold-silver mineralization. The highlight here, 63.7 meters, averaging 1.54 grams of gold per ton and 14.5 grams of silver, with 2 higher grade intersections in that. 2 meters at 13.8 grams of gold, 117 grams of silver. 1 meter at just under 19.95, just under 20 grams of gold and 241 grams of silver. The drill results identify substantial gold-silver bulk tonnage exploration potential, in addition to high-grade vein exploration targets. The company's trading at $1.67. Next up, East Asian Minerals trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol EAS. They're announcing drilling from their project in Indonesia, which continues to extend their Baoni prospect. Drill hole BOD07 intersected 31.6 meters of 3.7 grams of gold per ton. Included there was 21.6 meters of 5 grams, just over 5 grams of gold per ton from 3.4 meters of depth. Drill hole number 08 encountered 100 meters of 0.86 grams of gold per ton, with sampling ending in 3.26 grams of gold near the end of the hole in a newly recognized mineralization type. Michael Hawkins, President and CEO of the company. The gold mineralization remains consistent over great widths. We're confident it will continue to enhance the potential of the prospect while opening up other prospects. We're well on track to commencing drill definition for 43101 compliant resources during 2008. The company's trading at $1.65. Finally, Anglo Swiss Resources trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol ASW, on the OTC ASWRF, and for our friends in Germany on the Berlin Exchange under AMO. As a result of evident visual mineralization from drill hole AK0704, they'll now focus on both the porphyry copper gold mineralization potential on the Kenville property, as well as continued exploration on the Eagle vein system, which is known carrier of high-grade silver, gold and silver values. This is the fourth of just completed 5-hole phase 1 1,500-meter drill program on the Kenville mine property. Assay results from previous tech drilling that first identified the Eagle vein system returned grades of, listen to this, 82.15 grams of gold per ton. That's about just under 3 ounces. 34.1 grams of silver. That's just over 1.2 ounces, and that's across 0.25 meters, or just under a foot. The company right now is trading at 38 cents. That's a wrap for the day. As always, drop by our blog where we'll post these notes. Let us know if you have any additional commentary or due diligence for the greater good. Otherwise, make your way into the AGORACOM marketplace. If you look for more great small cap companies, we've got over 75 of them divided by industry and exchange, so you can find the ones that are best suited for your portfolio needs. That's a wrap for the day. 7 press releases. Hopefully you all got the gist of them. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.